Across New York State, Homes and Community Renewal is tackling the housing crisis head-on. In Binghamton, HCR's $94 million investment is transforming town and country apartments, creating modern, sustainable homes for hundreds of families.
In Broome County, we have actually financed over 3,700 units in the southern tier and over 1,200 units here in Broome County, and we do it 256 units at a time or 50 units at a time. No project is really too big or too small. These are all part of our 5-year plan at the state, where we are looking to create and preserve 100,000 units of affordable housing over 5 years. We just reached our halfway point and we crossed over our 50,000 mark.
At Town and Country, HCR's comprehensive approach means more than just renovations.
For decades, Town and Country has really been, sliding down in terms of quality. It's a place that conditions continue to deteriorate. This renovation project, they're going to have brand new energy efficient units, a place that they really can be proud of in a safe, quality, affordable home that families can raise kids. Our senior citizens can retire with dignity.
This is a project that's in addition to getting new flooring, new paint, new windows, energy efficient appliances. We're going to move it to all electric and reduce our carbon footprint in the state.
The 3 most important things that we can do as it relates to housing is build, build, build. This Town and Country project is meeting that exact challenge.